To learn how to transfer an image to wood or to another surface, follow along. Take your paper and flip it over. Now add some pencil to all the areas of your design. You don't have to do the whole sheet of paper, just where you will be tracing. Make sure you get all the details of your design. Now place your paper right side up, center it on your object, tape it in place, and trace the outline on the inside and the outside of each part of your design. When you're done tracing, remove your paper, and you can tell now that your design has been printed on the wood. Take any kind of paint that you would like to use. I'm using acrylic, and paint in all your details. Once you've painted all the details, go over it one more time and make sure everything is well filled in. And that's it. Thanks for watching.